Are you looking for the ultimate luxury escape? Look no further than Villa Tianna. The stunning and exquisitely furnished 13-room villa is located in the quiet upscale community of Ironshore in the resort area of Rosehall. The Sangster International Airport is about 10 minutes away, depending on traffic, so when you're ready to go, it's not too far. The villa is also a stone's throw away from Whitter Village Shopping Mall and the Blue Diamond Shopping Center. That means that restaurants, supermarkets, doctor offices, gift shops, and the like are close by. The famous hip strip, otherwise known as Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, is about 15 minutes away, depending on traffic, and that strip is full of entertainment possibilities. Now, back to Villa Tianna. When you enter Villa Tianna, a beautiful ornate staircase greets you with a radiant and elegant chandelier suspended above. And just beyond the staircase, we have the first of the 3 living areas. The 3 living areas provide ample space for entertaining and lounging, while the large dining room seats 26, making it perfect for dinner parties, family gatherings, or even business meetings. This would also be a nice location for a business retreat. Don't you agree? But wait, there's more. Their butler service takes luxury to the next level. To attend to your requests daily, a dedicated staff member will prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner for you and your guests. There's even a comfortable lounge area in the dining room. But it's not just about the communal spaces. There are 13 bedrooms to choose from. Every room in this villa has ample closet space, a safe, a television, and a mini refrigerator, ensuring that you have everything you need at your fingertips. Plus, with a ceiling fan and air conditioner in every room, you can control the temperature to your liking. And of course, there's the added convenience of a telephone in every room, so you're never out of touch. And with 5 balconies, you'll have breathtaking views from every angle. But the ultimate luxury? Each room features an ensuite bathroom with either a shower or a bath or a combination of both. If you choose to stay in the master bedroom, you will have a shower and a jacuzzi at your disposal, so you can start and end each day in complete comfort. The master bedroom features this massive 4-poster bed that looks so inviting and absolutely comfortable. By the way, beautiful craftsmanship. Don't you agree? And if you're someone who travels with a lot of luggage, there's a walk-in closet located to my right, which provides ample space for storage and changing. The closet also features a full-length mirror, so you can properly assess your outfit choice. Additionally, this room comes with a balcony. Now, when you're ready to unwind with some entertainment, just step into the movie room complete with a giant screen and surround sound system. The seating area is spacious, cozy, and well appointed, featuring 2 distinct areas, one nearer to the screen and the other located further back. Towards the rear of the movie room, there is a bathroom. Moving outside of the movie room, you'll find a pool table and a bar. Also on the same floor, there's a fully equipped gym available for those who want to stay in shape while on vacation. Now let's have a look outside. So outside, we are greeted with this beautiful garden and pool area. You can take a dip in the beautiful pool or unwind in the outdoor hot tub after a long day. This is the perfect opportunity to relax and recharge, surrounded by luxury and comfort. The large garden and pool deck can accommodate up to 100 people for a wedding or large outdoor events. And that's not all. Villa Tianna also offers 24-hour security so you can enjoy your stay with peace of mind. There is a housekeeper for daily cleaning and a gardener to care for the grounds. So why settle for anything less than the best? Book your stay at this stunning 13-room villa today and experience a getaway like no other. And if you don't want the full 13 bedrooms, you can book a minimum of 7 bedrooms with full access to all the amenities of the villa and a staff dedicated to your every need. This is the ultimate luxury escape. For further information, visit www.villatianna.com or call 876-678-3796.